So big announcement was made day before yesterday, and at present probably it's everywhere on all social media. If not directly, then at least copied and pasted in different forms. So sure, it won't make sense to just repeat everything from the announcement, but still there are few things that I think people are confused over and which I am going to mention in this video. I will also quickly mention few important points that aren't included in the announcement but was said by E2 team members in general chat. So the first point is that from the announcement and from the website it is clear that PayPal isn't available anymore, and the reason that was given by R2 team is that it wasn't cost effective as they charge quite a lot for each transaction, and also accessing funds wasn't fast enough with PayPal as it will be with credit card option. But still, from these comments we can say that PayPal may not be totally gone and may return in some time, and at present I think the R2 team is just trying to discuss some special agreements, maybe for less transfer charges, but haven't reached any conclusion. And though they have advised to use TransferWise to add credit, a big problem is that they had restricted the transaction limit to minimum $1,000, which haven't been changed even after PayPal removal. So it isn't still clear if low amount transaction will be allowed through TransferWise or not. Overall, if you really want to prepare for Dubai and UAE, make sure you find out some credit card options before countdown starts. Second point is, sure, everyone knows that Dubai and UAE are opening for sale, but the initial price per tile may not be exactly $0.10, because as much as I know, few tiles in UAE were sold in quite early stage of R2, and that is lot before it was made public that buying in UAE or Dubai is illegal. But this is just an assumption, and even if it is right, the difference won't be of much price. Third thing is that as the image of the terrain system was shared in the announcement, and as from this post by R2 members, it appears that people are not ready to believe in what have already been done by R2 team. So I want to make it clear that Nathaniel, who is responsible for this terrain system, himself had confirmed that he was working on this project for more than a year, and the terrain system has already been developed. And to clear your doubt in him, here is something you should see that he with one other team member did in just 24 hours. Now I am quickly going to mention few points that weren't directly mentioned in the announcement but are still quite interesting for everyone to know. So the first one is that the screenshot that was shared is from Salzburg in Australia, and on the left the mountain that you see is Untersberg mountain. The second point is that the day-night cycle on Earth 2 is going to be completely synchronized with real Earth. So yes, all those night people, me included, are going to have more nighttime on Earth 2 as well. Third point is that the essence will be global and not restricted to the property it was generated on. So yes, you can use resource from one property in a country to maybe develop another property in another country. Fourth point is that land class is surely a thing now, but according to the lead gameplay concept designer Wolfgang, this can be removed if it comes in the way of creating a great game. But I think this was just a statement to show that his main aim is not some rule in the game but the game itself, as he later made it clear that class system isn't going to be stripped. Fifth point is another comment by Shane on the size of property. So from this comment it seems that larger properties are always a better option than many small properties in the same area. So you can use this suggestion while buying tiles in Dubai or UAE. That is all. Since I already assume that you have read the announcement, I won't talk anything from that. But in case if you haven't, or maybe if you have any question related to that, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will put all important points from the announcement and will also answer everything. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.